Hi! In front of me is OnePlus Nord 3 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. First of all, open Messages app and select one of your chats. Then tap on this plus at the bottom left corner and click on Files section. After that, select one of those apps, click on those three lines at the top left corner and tap on one of those sources, or simply select Audio and Videos filters at the top. Now hold your file that you wish to add and tap on Select at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my audio file was successfully added. If you are struggling to add a video file through Files section, because it's too big, go into Gallery instead, tap on Gallery, then Folders, hold your video and try to click on Select over here in order to add it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!